Pro-Palestinian activist and Columbia University graduate Mahmoud Khalil will be released from immigration custody following a ruling by a federal judge on Friday, marking a significant turn in a case that has drawn widespread attention amid ongoing unrest over U.S. policy on Israel's military campaign in Gaza. Khalil, a Palestinian-American rights advocate, had become a symbol of student-led resistance and broader dissent against what critics call the Trump administration's aggressive stance on voices opposing Israeli actions. He was detained by immigration agents on March 8th after delivering a fiery speech at a campus protest condemning Israeli airstrikes in Gaza and calling for the U.S. to halt arms shipments to Israel. His arrest quickly became a flashpoint in a heated national debate over academic freedom, immigration law, and the scope of executive power, as Trump repeatedly vowed to crack down on what he described as pro-Hamas agitators infiltrating American institutions. Administration had sought to justify Khalil's detention under broad immigration powers, with government attorney Dhruman Sampat arguing that Congress had granted the executive branch sweeping authority to remove non-citizens deemed hostile to national interests or supportive of foreign terror-linked entities. Civil liberties groups, however, called Khalil's arrest politically motivated, citing a lack of formal charges unrelated to immigration status. His supporters, including faculty at Columbia and human rights organizations worldwide, staged daily protests and petitioned for his release, framing the case as a test of free speech under an administration increasingly hostile to pro-Palestinian activism. Friday's ruling signals a judicial rebuke to that approach, with the judge reportedly citing insufficient legal grounds for prolonged detention. While the Trump administration has not commented directly on the decision, immigration officials have hinted they may seek further legal avenues to challenge it. For now, Khalil's release marks a key victory for activists amid a broader surge in campus protests nationwide, as the conflict in Gaza continues to reverberate across U.S. politics, higher education, and the courts.